Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learners Academy. Myself Nara Rajput. Today is our 13th topic on ऑटोमेटिक जो लास्ट चल रहा था उसी पे करनी है हमने। आज का जो हमारा मेन टॉपिक है वो जजिंग फ्रिक्वेंसी है, प्रिडिक्टिंग फ्लाइट परफॉर्मेंस। Gopher and Kahneman found the flight attendants frequently emphasize the importance of selective attention in learning to fly high performance aircraft. Like Pakistan Air Force has many planes. Flying these planes need skills. Then the selective attention is very important. They have understand which plane need more attention. Flying cadets often fail because they don't appropriately divide attention among stimulants, activity, or how to recognize signals were arrived to untouchable channels. Gopher and Kahneman tested 100 candidates in Israel Air Force. In the experiment, two different messages came to different ears through headphone. A tone signal which ear was relevant. High tone was for right ear and light for the left ear. Subject had to report all the digits from the relevant ear. They were the group of cadets 1 to 17 cadets rejected early during training and light aircraft. 2 to 41 cadets rejected tuning on the jet aircraft. 42 cadets had reached advanced training on jet aircraft. ठीक है, जो Group 3 was best group because they had passed advanced training on jetcraft. Result of the experiment were they 3 or more errors, 76%, मतलब उसमें 3 एरर थे, 56% ग्रुप ऑफ 3 एरर और मोर, 24 of group person. The result shows selective listening task was best predictor of flight performance. It means selective listening task is more appropriate than other test is a requirement process. This has implication for flight pilot training Pakistan Air Force as well. Predicting roll accident upon travel 2 or more, severe accident in 1 year, accident free driver, no accident in the same period, intermediate driver in between 2 groups. Selective listening task a high correlation with driver safety. Those driver performance selective listening tasks, they have safe driver and low rate of accident. Other road accident experiment, Minhal and Barrett used 7 tests to predict accident involvement commercial driver. They have found selective listening task to be best predictor. Surprising result was because a visual task was not a good predictor as listening. Because selective listening task is journal measure of attention, those good at switching attention in auditory tasks are good at the visual task. Result इसमें suspension before expression, subject started 3 rings down to 1 ring, suspension of expression, subject started 4 ring down to 1 ring. Implication, effect of thought suppression is the produced to preoccupation with the suppressed thought, subjected environmental cause to help with thought expression with become associated with the thought. Competing thought actually reduce the rebound effect. Instruct to how a red ball instead of wild bear. Subject who change the surrounding had fewer white bear thoughts.